Are you ready to see a kitchen remodel?
14 years ago, we started writing down our goals. One of our 5-year goals was to buy a house on land with at least 5 acres. 8 months ago, after so many years, we finally found a house that we just knew was meant to be ours. There was literally a rainbow the day we came and looked at it, and it just felt like it was meant to be. Now, while the house was beautiful already, it needed some updating, and that brings us to today, where we are updating the house room by room. Okay, so when we first bought this house, the thing that bugged me the most about this kitchen was this funny thing. I think it's like a pot holder or something. The previous owner had like a bunch of fake ivy hanging on it, but it's just not my style, and I cannot wait to get it down. So we're gonna take it down right now. Oh, look how big that is. Oh, it's kind of hot. All right, here's the current state of our kitchen. We're moving electrical down because we had the high countertop, like the bar height. So we lowered that. We'll have our countertop extended so it just feels natural. I'm sanding all the cabinetry now and getting it ready for painting. This is just such a big undertaking. We're installing a double oven. This should come on Monday, I think. So we're making progress. We took down the backsplash and installed backer board, so it's ready for backsplash once our new counters go in. And then here is the dining room. I mean, you just have to appreciate the full mess that this makes when you do cabinets. And then I taped all these yesterday. Oh man. Labeled all the cupboards. And I sanded all the cupboard, or all the drawers. So tomorrow I'll probably be sanding all the cabinets. So anyway, back to work. All right, I'm out here sanding all the kitchen cabinets. This isn't even half of them. My process has been bring them all out, sand them off, and then wipe them off. The island is gonna be black, so I'm starting to make a pile of all the black ones, but yeah, just getting after it. This is the primer we've been liking. Someone at Lowe's recommended it to us, and we've been really liking it. So we use this primer when we're doing cabinets. It's a little more expensive than like a different primer that we would normally use. And then this is the cabinet paint we use. It's called Valspar Cabinet and Furniture Oil Enriched Enamel. It's kind of like an in-between between oil paint and regular paint. So oil paint is what makes cabinets look so good. But it's really hard to work with, smells bad, dries really slow, and so this is like a good in-between, and we really like it. And we're using satin, which we are loving lately. So when you sand any kind of cabinetry, you want to use, or furniture really, you want to use a really fine grit. I'm using 220. Cabinet progress. 2 coats of primer on. We're about to add a 3rd. And let me show you all the drawers. I mean, there's just so many. And this is just the drawers. I still have to lay out all the cabinets, which you can see outside on the porch. So it's gonna be a long week of painting. Just sprayed the island. And then pretty soon, tomorrow we should be done with both coats. We'll do a coat in the morning and a coat in the night. So anyway, it's just all a mess. Here's a little kitchen update. We've got new countertops, the cabinets are all painted, the new double oven. We've got some of our hardware on, still waiting for knobs. The new sink, we're still waiting on some trim. And now we're working on the backsplash. Things are looking up. We're almost finished, so it's super exciting. There is something so rewarding about taking an outdated room and making it into something beautiful. The satisfaction that comes after you've used your own 2 hands and worked so hard to create a space you love is a feeling we never get tired of. Taking a look back through this footage has been so fun and such a reminder of how far we've come. We can't wait to show you all the projects we have in store for the Quale house in the future. But just remember, no matter where you live, you have the ability to make your home special, beautiful, and a place you want to be with the ones you love most.